Ciao! Today we visit Siracusa Sicily. Syracuse, located on the southeastern coast of Sicily, is a city with a rich history and cultural heritage. The city has a population of approximately 120,000 people, making it the fourth largest city on the island. Syracuse has azure blue waters of the Ionian Sea lapping against the city's rocky coastline. Syracuse also has the lush greenery of the city's parks and gardens, and home to some of the most impressive Greek and Roman ruins in the world. The region surrounding Syracuse is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal-clear waters, and stunning natural landscapes. It is also home to several nature reserves and protected areas, including the Vendicari Nature Reserve and the Cava Grande del Cassibile Nature Reserve. Siracusa Sicily is a tapestry of colors and shapes, each one telling a different story of this ancient and beautiful city. Siracusa's location on the coast of Sicily has contributed to its cultural and economic significance throughout history. The city was founded by Greek settlers in the 8th century BC, and later became a major center of the Roman Empire. Today, it is a bustling port city and a popular tourist destination. The climate in Syracuse is Mediterranean, with mild winters and hot summers. Temperatures in the summer months typically average around 30 degrees Celsius, while winter temperatures average around 15 degrees Celsius. The warm climate and beautiful beaches make Syracuse an ideal destination for summer vacations. Syracuse has a rich heritage, with a mix of Greek, Roman, and Baroque architecture. The city's historical center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is home to several important landmarks and buildings. One of the most impressive is the ancient Greek theater, which dates back to the 5th century BC and is still used for performances today. Another important landmark is the Fountain of Siracusa, a natural spring surrounded by myth and legend. The style of homes in Syracuse reflects the city's long history, with a mix of Greek, Roman, and Baroque influences. Many of the homes are made of stone or brick, and feature ornate balconies and courtyards. Some of the oldest homes in the city date back to the 15th century. Tourism is an important industry in Syracuse, and the city attracts visitors from around the world who come to experience its rich history, beautiful beaches, and delicious cuisine. The city is home to several museums, including the Paolo Orsi Archaeological Museum, which houses artifacts from the city's ancient past. The city's historic center is also filled with shops, cafes, and restaurants, offering visitors a taste of traditional Sicilian culture and cuisine. Speaking of food, Syracuse is known for its delicious seafood dishes, including fresh fish, calamari, and octopus. The city is also known for its sweets, including cannoli and cassata, a rich cake made with ricotta cheese. The people of Syracuse are known for their warm hospitality and love of their city. The locals are proud of their rich cultural heritage, and are happy to share their traditions and history with visitors. The city is home to several festivals and cultural events throughout the year, including the Feast of St. Lucy in December, and the Greek Theater Festival in May. In conclusion, Syracuse is a city with a rich history and cultural heritage, beautiful beaches, delicious cuisine, and warm and welcoming people. It is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Sicily, and a place that will leave visitors with memories to last a lifetime. Thank you for taking this journey with me again. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Thank you, God bless and have a great day. Ciao!